Dear all, this is S. Ambalatharasu, Assistant Professor, Department of Science and Humanities, King's College of Engineering, Punalkulam. Now we are going to see about defects, defects in crystal, which is in engineering physics. Defects. Crystalline materials has a crystal structure in which the atoms are positioned in perfect order pattern, which is repetitive over large atomic distance. In simple way, we can say that regular and periodic arrangements of atoms, which is a perfect crystal structure. Similarly, defects have a profound impact on the macroscopic properties of the materials. Sometimes defects are deliberately created to improve the properties of crystal, that is, to improve the elasticity property of the material or thermal property and so. So the classification of defects based on the dimensionality. There are four types: zero dimensional, one dimensional, two dimensional, and three dimensional. The zero dimensional effects are called point defects. In that, vacancy defect, interstitial defect, Frankel defect, Scotchy defect. In line defect, which is one dimensional defect, edge dislocation, screw dislocation, and in two dimensional defects, surface or interface defect, grain boundary, twin boundary, stacking faults. Finally, the volume defects, which is a three dimensional defect, dispersion, precipitate, inclusion, voids, and cracks. Now, point defect, that is the one dimensional defect. Impurity defects, stoichiometry defects, and non stoichiometry defects. That is differentiated the point defect into three types. Impurity defect is the mixture of another materials or impurities to the core material. Here, Scotchy defect, Frankel defect, vacancy defect, interstitial defect, we will see detail. And non-stoichiometry defect is metal excess defect or metal deficiency defect. Here, an example for Frankel and Scotchy defect. For example, here the red color atom we consider the positive and the lavender color we consider as negative atom. We can see that the perfect arrangement, that is the regular and periodic arrangements of positive and negative atoms. Here we can say that a negative atom is missing. Similarly, here a positive atom is missing. These types of missing atoms in a perfect crystal structure is called Scotchy defect. Similarly, the Frankel defect. Here an positive atom is missed, but it is replaced in another area in the same crystal, which is called Frankel defect. Here in this diagram, we have idea about almost all point defects: Frankel defect, Scotchy defect, cation vacancy. That is, the positive ion is not available, which is called cation vacancy. Similarly, anion vacancy. The negative atom is not available. And substitutional impurity. What is meant by substitutional impurity? There is an atom or positive atom, but which does not belongs to the same material, which is called substitutional impurity atom. And interstitial impurity atom. Actually, there is the positive atom, there is no missing atom, but an impurity positive atom will be there, which we called as interstitial impurity atom. This diagram also clearly indicates these. And vacancy defects. Vacancy we all know. That is, there is a vacancy of atom. Whether it might be positive or negative atom, which is called a missing atom. Atom missing from an atomic site. This defects occurs due to imperfect packing during crystallization. That is, at the time of growth, crystal growth, there might be some improper packing due to normally defects or impurities or some disturbance in the crystal structure. This results in decrease in density of the substance. That is, the density of the material varies due to this missing atom. Number of vacancy defects depends on temperature. That is, for this purpose only we are using CTB, that is constant temperature bath for perfect crystal growth. Interstitial defects. Addition of an extra atom within a crystal structure. This defect increases the density of the substance. That is, to increase the density of the substance, we can add an interstitial atom, which causes the atomic distortion. And the vacancy and the interstitials are inverse in phenomena. Scotchy defect already we have discussed about that. Here we have considered the Na plus and Cl minus ion and the defects. Next, coming to the line defect. What is mean by line defect? Irregularities or deviation from ideal arrangement in entire row of the lattice point. In the diagram, we clearly indicates that this particular line is missing. But anyhow, these arrangements form the complete structure. The interatomic bonds significantly distorted in immediate vicinity of the dislocation line. This dislocation affects the mechanical property of the material. So, these types of dislocation is edge dislocation, screw dislocation, and both mixed dislocation. Here is an example to show the edge screw and mixed dislocation. This dislocation, as seen in the previous diagram, a particular line is missing or the atoms in that line is missing, which is called a edge dislocation. Next, it seems to be like screw, so we called as screw dislocation. Both dislocation mixed in same material is called mixed dislocation. It is shown in this diagram very clearly. So, here while applying force, this material is very strong, but here it might be somewhat low due to the missing plane. And finally, a good example for this edge dislocation is cone. Here we can see clearly that a plane or a line is completely missing. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But here only 5. These lines are missed. This is the natural process. This is not wantedly making for our comfort. Next, Burger's vector in edge dislocation. A complete path of this dislocation is noted, and Burger's circuit forming a loop MNOPQ, which contains dislocation. Screw dislocation is the motion of a screw. Dislocation is also results to shear the stress. The motion is perpendicular to the direction of stress rather than the parallel, that is edge, comparing to the edge of the material. This term screws for such defects is derived from the fact that lattice planes of crystal spiral the dislocation line, simply shown in this figure. Next, slip and twinning. What is mean by slip? That is normally slipping. If we are slipping from a plane or from steps like that, the slip plane 111, that is in the three-dimensional way, the direction is in this way. For example, without seeing this, if we consider this line, there is no difference. Even though it is slipped from one area to another, the atoms fixed perfectly. This is the slip plane. Next, twinning. Twin. Just like twinning, the structure is differentiated. Similarly, we can compare slip and twinning. This is the main difference. So, slip is the orientation across the slip plane is same and the atomic moments are equal to the atomic distance. But in the twin, the orientation across the twin plane is different and the atomic moments are lesser than atomic distance. And in the slip plane, atoms are moving in only one plane, but in twin, all planes they can move. It takes place in milliseconds, slip, but twin takes place in less than the microseconds. Also, slip take place at low strain rates, and similarly, twin take place in high strain rates. While slipping, no sound is created, but in twin, a click sound is created or a tiny cry. Then, surface defects. Surface defect. The surface defects are associated with boundaries that are separate region of the materials and have different crystal structure, which is also called as we told, two-dimensional defect. Due to the change in original of the or orientation of the atomic planes and stacking a sequence of atomic planes, it is caused during solidification or mechanical or thermal treatment of the material. These affect the mechanical properties, electrical resistance, and corrosion resistance of the material. And finally, the three-dimensional defect, which is called bulk or volume defects. Here, the fraction of micron in size, which is precipitates, and dispersants may be a larger precipitates, grains or polygranular particles distributed through the microstructure. And inclusion. The foreign particles are large precipitate particles undesirable, which is harmful. And finally, voids trapped gases decreases the mechanical strength. Here, we can see the clusters of micro cracks in a melanin granule irradiated by a short laser pulse, which is the example for three-dimensional defects. Thank you.